Hey y'all, it's your girl deja.zhane. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you all how to get this model brow. This has currently been my brow routine. I've been getting a lot of questions about it, so I decided to make a video. So the first thing you'll do is brush up your brows, and I feel like because I have my foundation on, it makes my brows kind of stiff. The product that I'm using is the NYX eyebrow gel in the color Espresso. I like to mix it with the dry oil like argan oil or any oil you have around the house. Kind of mix it up to make it more to make it easier to, make the brow strokes. So yeah, I'm continuing to make brow strokes, filling my brows in. I'm just following along the natural shape of my brow, and once I get towards like the top of it, I do the same thing. I draw like little lines, little brow hairs, not too thick because you don't want the front of your brow to be, too dark, so it'll be light-handed. So now you kind of just want to like look in the mirror to make sure that your brows are somewhat even as possible. So the next step, I'll be taking my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 350, and I'm going to use this flat eyebrow brush or whatever this is, this flat brush. I'm just going to carve out my brow only at the bottom. I'm not going to carve the brow out up top because I still want them to look kind of bushy and natural looking. Don't ask me where I got this brush from. I have no idea. I don't remember where I got this brush from. I don't know who it's by. So sorry. So the next thing we're going to use is a concealer brush just to blend out the foundation we put underneath the eyebrow, make it look seamless. And that pretty much concludes my brows. I'm just going to finish my makeup. I applied my makeup off camera. It's a pretty natural look. That concludes this brow tutorial. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Deuces.